Is your credit score being dragged down by hard inquiries you don't even recognize? Let's fix that, specifically with TransUnion. First, get a copy of your TransUnion credit report. You can do this for free at Annual Credit Draft. Review it carefully and highlight any hard inquiries that you believe are inaccurate, unauthorized, or simply don't belong there. Now, it's time to craft your dispute letter. This is super important. Be clear, concise, and factual. State the specific inquiry you're disputing, the reason you believe it's inaccurate, and request its removal. For example, you might say, I am writing to dispute the hard inquiry from XYZ company on. Gather any supporting documentation you have that proves your claim. This could include a copy of your driver's license, a utility bill to verify your address, or any documents that show you didn't apply for credit with the company in question. The stronger your documentation, the better. Send your dispute letter and copies of your supporting documents to TransUnion via certified mail with return receipt requested. This provides proof that TransUnion received your dispute. The address is TransUnion, P.O. Box 2000, Chester, PA 19016. TransUnion has 30 days to investigate your dispute. During this time, they'll contact the creditor who made the inquiry. If TransUnion determines the inquiry is invalid, they'll remove it from your credit report. This can give your credit score a boost. Keep an eye on your credit report and follow up if you don't hear back within 30 days. Removing those inaccurate inquiries can make a real difference.